Okay, we're going to take a look at example 3. It's very similar to example 1 and 2 in that it gives us the same information as it did in the original. So we can still see that Sean's car was $40,000. That's the starting value. And we can see that the depreciation rate was 7.75%. Now on this example, it asks us to find the value of the car, that'll be the Y value, at 68 months. So this one's gonna be very similar to 2 with a slight twist. You guys, what we are gonna do is we are gonna copy that original equation that we wrote back from example 1, right here. The 40,000 times the quantity, 1 minus, hang on, I can't, let me go at the same speed here. 40,000, and then 1 minus that rate, 0.0775. Now, in our original example 1, we put it to the x power. In the last example, we replaced x with the time value of 4 years. So the next value should always be in years. Unfortunately, this one is not in years, it's 68 months. So the only change that we're going to have is that our exponent is going to be 68. But since this is a month value, I'm just going to take this and divide it by 12. When I take a month value and divide by 12, that's actually going to turn it into however many years 68 divided by 12 is. I don't even have to think about it. I can leave it looking exactly like this when I type it into Desmos. So, going over to Desmos. Honestly, we could probably just use the one above it, but that's okay. I'll retype this out. 40,000, parentheses, 1 minus 0.0775, parentheses, and we're going to raise it a to the b. Now, instead of just a nice easy 4, we're going to type in 68. That was the number of months. Divided by 12. See how I made it look exactly like what I wrote already on the screen? So I can leave that as 68 divided by 12, and I don't need to do anything fancy to it. All right, so the value of the car is going to be $25,324.22, because 0.222 is going to round off at 22. Right? See if I can get this here. Y equals 25,000. I wish I could remember, but I didn't. Hang on just a second. $324.22. So all I have to do on this one is replace that x value, and since the x value was given in months, make sure anytime you're given a month value that you divide that by 12.